Irabot Foundation Manipur demands government to disclose compensation procedure for drought-affected farmers of the state. Schools in remote areas lay in deplorable condition despite government's initiative to enhance education sector of the state. United Committee Manipur UCM calls for unity for both hills and valley inhabitants for safeguarding state's territorial integrity. And Welfare Association for Blind WAB Takil kicks off 5-day cricket coaching camp for visually impaired today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangchum with the headlines in details. Irabot Foundation Manipur IFM organized one-day farmers meet on drought in Manipur at Manipur Press Club today. Farmers from across the state and leaders of various civil society organizations took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, IFM General Secretary K.H. Gopin stated that farmers across the state are facing blights due to scanty rain this year. He lauded the state government's initiative of declaring drought in the state, though it is behind time. Gopin urged the government to disclose about compensation procedure for the drought-affected farmers. He also urged the government to form a committee to monitor the merits and demerits of works carried out with huge investments by CADA, Water Resources and the Agriculture Department to irrigate the drought-affected paddy fields.
MI Kada Fisheries, the Agriculture, Water Resources, Nursing Basingsina, see the Dang Semba, Quigi, Sahi Taragi, Mamanga, Siemdona Lava, see in the Tambam Latrava, Quigi, Adumba, Kenel, Beresing Ado, Pillar Labra, Habidugi, Madugi, Kanganaba, Pek Finding Team Mama, Sizu, Civil Society, Onasanjaba, Pek Finding Team Mama, Adu with the Semga Davani, Aduga Sema Lurakan, Maduna, Pentorkan, Maduda Sianamba, Opisaro, Egara, Mantri, Egara, Madu, Muising the book to Godamni have say, Quigi, Foundation Manipurgi, Amatangaraba, Quig demand, Oizaningi, Quig Sugumba, Masigi, Kanosida compensation government. Napirako matamsida koigi angang singi free education ohenba electricity free ohenba thangna ba sing free ohenba aduda natana matam chana na pot singdu semba yanana ba grievance sen hangmana singba akoi mayam paikhala.
Many schools in remote areas of the state remained in deplorable condition despite government's initiative to enhance education sector of the state by recently launching School Bhagat Hansi mission. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News reporter Bhakta Tarangpam and video journalist P. Bobo.
Kwarok Maring UJB School under Laurembam Gram Panchayat in Hairok constituency lays in a deplorable condition. 4 teachers are teaching 35 students from class 1 to 5. Teachers are conducting classes for all the students in a single rental room since the deplorable school building may collapse at any moment.
Sida leiriba UGBC hojik leiriba UGBC amathakta leiramdagi hojik chingkhongda tarakpadagi akoi school ji akoi UGBC hojik hobada maina building leitana sum leiri na school building ji leitabanina kungi authority sing mayam tanarga akoi ka amada akoi keno tawraga akoi punna ngang king to hojik lairik laisu tawduna leiri.
Villagers said that the local MLA, who is also the state education minister, told them that the village is not under his jurisdiction upon being approached to improve the school infrastructure. On the other hand, chairman of Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council told them that the village is under the education minister's jurisdiction. Chief of Kwarok Maring Village, P.H. Laidun, stated that the villagers whose primary occupation is agriculture are struggling to send their children for education in nearby schools.
School sigi matangda 2019 gi January February adwaida koigi sigi di general posi hairo kendra dani yalaibak phana koigi kendra sigi di education minister amasu isau chauna lairibani koina si tharo matamda masidi agi jurisdiction nati masi Sutter Hills ni koigi chairman da du chalu hair kan na mong education minister da moi chalu nangi kendra ne adu maina into engine tawnar ga lai village ship amoina aina yamna ningam da ba thamoi sokpa hojik lerisi school leibadilana kun sidai da chhatra kunthram nga leirisi da mapan thogom leite letrin leite ising masing akoigi filter akoigi ising hapom afaba ising thapom phaba leite simbasu khuding makse aina laihaningba.
Villagers expressed that they have no other options but to send their children in the deplorable school. They appeals to the relevant authorities to improve the school infrastructure and not to deprive the educational rights of the village children.
Skunsi yamna nungaitaba haib tare skun thambadu munungda su yamna phattaba haib tare laingoi gumba thamba gumba upun gumba dum angang singdo sida lairik tam haladi hena brain ju yamna su soani aduga oza singju haibdi moisu kaisu ngangdaba male atopa tam hangadabudu su hoidi yamna laitabnina yamna lairabnina singi minina ko hoida atopa school yamna lingbada thagadabudu su yamna waba haib tare yaradi khoi si school se hoida phajana semhaninge.
With inputs from Impact News reporter Bhakta Tarangbam and video journalist P. Bobo, this is Joyce Usham, Impact News, Kwarok Maring Village.
Goakal Government Primary School, Zakuradhor Part 1 LP School, Netaji High School and Borobekra Higher Secondary School under Jakuradhor and Borobekra Gram Panchayats of Barak Circle in Ziribam district are in a pathetic condition due to lack of proper infrastructure and adequate teachers. Classes for students of various standards are held in a single classroom due to inadequate classrooms in these schools. Students are at risk as the deplorable Zakuradhor Part 1 LP school building may collapse during heavy storm. School headmaster K.H. Dinesh appealed to the relevant authorities to look into the matter. While there is no teacher for Meitei Mayek subjects, social sciences subject for class 9 and 10 and mathematics subjects teachers for lower classes at Netaji High School and the road leading to Borobekra Higher Secondary is in a pathetic condition, bringing much blight to students and teachers. School principal G. Manglim stated that the school, with a strength of 531 students and 35 teachers, lacks staff quarters. He also said that teachers and students feel uneasy to hold classes behind the cracked walls of the school building caused by an earthquake few years ago.
Subject teacher problem main Manipur suppose 9-10 board APR suppose SSLC APR student last year subject themselves the PPR to manage APR social science class 9-10 problem social science subject teacher ASM English subject minister.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla has extended heartiest greetings and best wishes to teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day celebrations 2019. In her message, the governor stated that nation celebrates Teachers' Day on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan to honor teachers for their precious contributions towards the society and the country. She said, teachers play an important role in character building and students and make them worthy citizens. Stating that a strong education system is based on a progressive society, Governor Najma Heptulla maintained that Manipur has a lot of expectations from its teaching community. She urged teachers to instill in children values of sacrifice, tolerance, pluralism, understanding and compassion. Chief Minister Nongthong Bampirin extended heartiest greetings to teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day celebrations 2019. In his message, the Chief Minister said that teachers shape children into responsible citizens and thus shape the nation. He said that the nation holds Teachers' Day celebrations on September 5th every year in memory of the first Vice President and the second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, on his birthday. Chief Minister Biren said that Teachers' Day is a tribute to the contributions made by teachers towards society. President of United Committee Manipur UCM, Sunil Karam, urged both hills and valley inhabitants to unite and be on alert for safeguarding the territorial integrity of the state. He was speaking to media on the sidelines of the inaugural of 9th Chingtam Traditional Culture Festival 2019 celebrations today. All Manipur Huilem Lalong and Traditional Culture Preservation Committee Manipur organized the event at Rukmal Theatre in Imphal. Sunil Karam stated that the Prime Minister's signal to end the 21-year-long Indo-Naga peace talks between the Indian government and NSC and IM latest by October this year has created apprehension among people of the state. He stated that people of Manipur are not against conclusion of the peace talks, but it should not harm the territorial integrity of Manipur. Sunil Karam stated that UCM had submitted repeated memoranda to the Prime Minister, peace talks interlocutor R.N. Ravi and the Union Home Minister not to let Indo-Naga Framework Agreement affect the ethnic line of Manipur nor create any cultural autonomy, but there is not single reply till date. He urged the state government to let people know its stand on the matter.
Naga gi issues naksan na leiba phiba masida aikoi yam pamdaba aikoi gi MLA minister gi marakta aikoi sugumba pham chindok chindin gi adu gi adagi na tawriba porche masi hauji hauji leireiba issue sidadi ko punamak aikoi gi opposition ruling MLA khaidana aikoi gi naga prema agreement sigi waruchi lakadabu sida Manipur government amsung prajaga punna sap manaba phire amada lawdadana aikoi hauji tongan langna kotna tawase Manipur praja myambu masi kari oina khalibano Manipur praja punamuk pangde aduna maramorkana aikoi laibak haiba nation haiba first sigi pose hana khangminasi then madugi matungina laingak tana traga sagotarangda koi punna hotminasi haiba.
Responding to media query about the final list of Assam NRC, which excluded over 19 lakh people, Sunil Karam asserted that those excluded will definitely try to enter Manipur and other neighboring states of Assam. He expressed apprehension that influx of the migrants is more probable in Manipur as the inner line permit system is not implemented in the state as of yet. Sunil Karam appealed to people and the government to realize the seriousness of the situation and take immediate measures.
Aiko hausik lairiba phibam masida NRC na konjandriba mayam singase soidana aikoida haijelakpagi phibam silai aduna maram orkanda aikoi Manipur da sugumlaba Manipur People's Bill se protection taunanabagi essential pidringai gi marak am khata laikhibanina aduna maram orkanda aikoi Assam lomdagi sangjalakadoba adugma mito mian jajingse aikoi yamna mipainingai ni hairiba mipainingai sigi manung sida ju Manipur da lairiba praja punamak aikoi gi chapchaba ain ama leitri bokki marok sidati Manipur da sons of the soil da lairiba miam punamangna aikoi lakliba sangaiba to mian cha singse aikoi isa na self realization gi khongthang amakak changchalakana aikoi mi to mian cha jingja koi thengnabagi tangai phadabadu koina la engkhal aikoi Manipur government ki su sabsaba aikoi gi mi to mian cha jingi changchalakbagi pirep se aikoi leminabam changi.
Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgen called on Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment Thawar Chand Gehlot at his office chamber today at New Delhi. Minister Nemcha Kipgen highlighted the activities of the Social Welfare Department, Government of Manipur, mainly the schemes of persons with disability, older persons and prevention of alcohol and substance abuse drugs during the meeting with the Union Minister and concerned officers. Nemcha Kipgen expressed that the meeting was fruitful as Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment has been taking keen interest in thoroughly assessing the proposals submitted by the department to sanction funds for various schemes. Union Minister Gehlot assured that funds will be released at the earliest for the welfare of deprived sections and physically challenged people. Jennings Dental College held its third Foundation Day celebration at Jennings Auditorium today. Speaking at the event, MP Professor Dr. R.K. Ranjan assured that he will urge the relevant union minister to fill up various inadequacies of Jennings Dental College and dental health education in the state. He expressed contentment that Jennings Dental College has given remarkable performance in its 3 years of existence. The MP said that the college will be able to give world-class dental hygiene education, assuring of necessary measures by the center. Dr. R.K. Ranjan asked authority of the dental college to send report about various leaking infrastructures to the center through the state government. Director of Jennings Professor Dr. T.H. Bhimo, Dean Professor of Jennings Academics, Dr. W. Gyaneshwar, Principal of Dental College, Professor Dr. Nidharsh H. Hegre, and others attended the event. First and second year topper students in professional university examination of the college were felicitated with certificates and cash awards on the occasion.
I know there are deficiencies because since this college is run by the state exchequer, we may not have the proper facilities. We may not be able to procure the most sophisticated equipment which is used by the advanced country or even the states of the country. We must hope to have such kind of sophisticated equipments to provide the best medical facilities to the peoples of the state of Manipur. I would also appeal our director, if possible, please submit all the infrastructural requirement through the government of Manipur. When it reaches to the union government, please use me to pursue the matter so that the state should get all the full facilities.
Republican Party of India A has entered Manipur's political arena for forming its Manipur unit. Party President cum Union Minister of State for Social Justice Ramdas Athawale were arrived at Manipur to announce the names of working members of party Manipur unit on September 18th. Speaking to media at Hotel Mas, All Assembly Road today, Party Northeast India in charge Vinod Nikhalji stated that Republican Party of India A follows the ideology of B.R. Ambedkar to bring a peaceful and parallel society in the state. He claimed that Party President cum Union Minister of State for Social Justice Ramdas Athawale is progressing towards popularizing this party across the country. State convener for the party, Thanojo Mahesh, assured to urge Union Minister Ramdas to table various concerns of the state in the parliament.
डॉक्टर बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर की विचारधारा पर चलने वाली ये पार्टी बहुत सालों से नॉर्थ ईस्ट में नहीं आई थी, मणिपुर में भी नहीं आई थी। पिछले 2-3 साल पहले हम लोगों ने एक सैंपल के तौर पर कुछ कैंडिडेट खड़ा किए थे, अच्छा वोट मिले थे, लेकिन उसके बाद में पार्टी का संगठन हम यहाँ अच्छा तरह से नहीं बना सकते थे। लेकिन अभी महेश्वर जी के माध्यम से यहाँ बहुत अच्छा तरह से पार्टी का संगठन बनने जा रहा है। जातियों को, जिन जिन जमातियों को, जिन जिन लोगों को विस्थापित करके रखा है, ऐसे विस्थापित लोगों को प्रस्तापित करने के लिए ये विचारधारा लेके डॉक्टर बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर की विचारधारा कॉमन पर्सन्स के पास लेके जाने के लिए ये पार्टी काम करती है और हम लोग उसी विचारधारा के आधार पर हम आगे चल रहे हैं।
Soni Nongmaithim, a class 10 student of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Loktak, from Nachongmaya Ilaikai of Bishnupur district will watch live streaming of Chandrayaan-2 mission's moon lander Bikram landing on the moon on September 7th, along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the control room of Indian Research Space Organization ISRO in Bangalore on September 7th. Soni Nongmaithim, daughter of Nongmaithim Rakesh and Nongmaithim Ongbi Elizabeth, is among the 60 students selected to witness the historic event with Prime Minister Modi through an online quiz competition participated by around 1 lakh people from across the country, conducted by ISRO from August 10th to 25th.
Hadi atra lak amagi manung na khoi tu student lakot kanina hai yam haraw edu aizu andam hadi inspires oi hadi.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on ban of railway project works in Manipur by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee. We'll be right back. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee (STDC) has banned all railway project works in the state against state government's failure to take measures to include Mitai community in the scheduled tribe list. Speaking to media at the shrine of Ima Kuntokhanbi in Thangmeiban today, convener of STDC Coordinating Committee, Laishram Romesh, stated that the decision came after the government's failure to discuss the matter in the recently concluded two-day state assembly session despite repeated pleas and government's failure to send recommendations to the centre for the same. STDC on August 23rd warned that it will ban all the railway projects in Manipur if government failed to fulfill their demands.
September ki tang taruk sidagi Manipur ki tampaklam da aikoi hojik trainen hutpagi thabak kanna aikoi sathariba mitop mayam ama nongmada miyoi mayam ama pusalakadoriba fauduna chatkadoriba railway sabagi thabak se aikoi yelhomi singgi oiba protection ama maitei singgi oiba protection ama hana thamdragadi hairiba railway gi construction gi thabak se lakadoriba September ki tang taruk tagi aikoi pumthing thinge karigumba railway ki laibiriba authority sing laibiba agency sing laibiba Manipur gi oina laibiriba pumnamakna tang taruk tai di laingak siga aikhoiga hoyanaba ma laitri fawba aikoi railway gi oiba construction gi thabak sing si masi pumlep lepiu.
A woman was found hanging in a suspicious manner at Kongman Zone 4 in Thongju constituency, Imphal East District today. The deceased woman is 52-year-old Moirangthim Ongbi Ujala, wife of M. Thanajit. According to Impact News sources, Ujala was found hanging in her husband's chamber by her daughter around 6 a.m. Family members rushed to Jennings Hospital, but she succumbed to death. Her body was then taken to Jennings morgue for post-mortem. However, brother of the deceased halted a post-mortem when students of the medical institute reportedly tried to conduct a post-mortem as their practical class. Irulbung police has registered a case and initiated a probe into the incident. Sources said that the late Ujala suffered a stroke 2 months ago. Residents of Hairog Stage sit in today demanding justice for the deceased girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. Protesters demanded authority concerned to book all the culprits involved in the mysterious death. Residents of Irom Maijrao, along with members of Irom Maijrao Lomi Luk, took measures to irrigate their paddy fields from the Nambol River under the initiative of General Secretary Administration of NPP Manipur Unit, K.H. Loken today. K.H. Loken further assured to provide irrigation facility for paddy fields in Ningombam and Puramakong areas.
Nambul Turin is free the Queen along Takatari, otherwise, I'm going from the joke things that area to the labor for the farms in Yukana, Mayampi, and Maduje things of me. I can at the election Giran Titoba Amagi, Amagi Wakalaki, Queen New Nation is Amagi, Amagi Matin, Namaki, Yang Kana, Toromasi, all of the young Kana, Toromasi. I get on Hopra, I walk in the English. There is a Kudong Saba, Lorgan, Kudong Saba, no Madunati. She honors the Prazaz in Hina, Paraga Kuju, young Seva, Tozeriba Kuju, Equida, disturbed the Roy having Wakalon to the end of Tamzeri. The Queen Mayam, Sangana Honaminacy, Amagi, Mating Panasia.
Convener of Coordinating Committee, All Manipur Youths and Students Welfare Association, K.H. Rameshwar, warned stringent actions against schools failing to organize necessary health camps despite charging medical fees. Speaking on the sidelines of a health check-up camp organized at New Horizon Public School in Kongampa today, Rameshwar expressed disappointment that many schools fail to conduct compulsory health check-up camp every month for school boarders and once in 2 or 3 months for day scholars.
School Kuntrada Haidare, medical camp khoi health check up khoi pangthok nabagi khoi sem saba tawre loina na khoina school sing da su private school sing da jo hauji medical fees lawsala kanda maroina khoi gi fees sing du utilize to bidaba sahi mada medical check up amuk phok to bidaba hai tare hairiba thong sing asi coordinating committee gi maikai dagi akan mieng changani loina school khudimang na su khoi gi medical fees da lawra kanda ana laing gi thabak pangthok tabasi coordinating committee na yabang amlo ramadana school khudimak border sing gi oina boarding da leiba satra sing gi oina tha khuding gi medical check up pangthok kadabani khoi gi day scholar gi oina tha ani dagi na ahum phau ba hai tare tha ani gumba natragna ahum gumba smaina kana na kanda khoi medical check up natrag health check up se compulsory pangthok kadabani committee gi maikai dagi thamjage.
Proprietor of Network Services Nescafe Kisampat, Dr. Radhesham Oinam gave financial help of 10,000 rupees to physically challenged Konsum Abe and her destitute family from Laurimbam Aripat under Laurimbam Gram Panchayat in Hairo constituency today. Dr. Radhesham Oinam handed over to the financial help through Impact News after yesterday's news coverage by Impact News about the deplorable condition of physically challenged Konsum Abe, who is struggling to meet the needs of her destitute family. Konsum Abe expressed immense happiness upon receiving the help.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯔꯣꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯅꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ.
Friends in Need Society finds Hairo organized a blood donation camp on its 14th foundation day today. The society organized a camp along with Janim's Blood Bank at its office. Altogether, 40 volunteers, including executive members of Hairo Ningol Club, donated blood in the camp. Women Against Crime in a press release notified that a commemorative event will be held at GM Hall on September 20th at 10 a.m. to pay tribute to those brutally murdered women of the state. A Manipuri short film titled The Carpenter and His Wife, directed by L. Banka, sponsored Eastern Zonal Cultural Center, Kolkata, was released at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium today. Speaking at the event, Commissioner of Art and Culture Bobby Wycombe asserted that Manipur is famous in the world for its unique art and culture, and despite financial crunch, the relevant department has promoted art and culture of the state. Director of Art and Culture Aribam Sivadas and IAS retired Lakshmi Kumar attended the event. And in sports news, Welfare Association of Blind WAB Takil kicked off 5-day cricket coaching camp for visually impaired at a conference hall of Home for the Blind, Sai Road today. Proprietor of Arun Enterprises, T.H. Arun Kumar, Chairman of Northeast Zonal Coordination Committee and Secretary of Spastic Society Manipur, L. Tokendra Riki, former headmaster of the Blind School Takil, Y. Brajamohan and eminent members of WAB took part in the event. Bengal's international cricket player Tanumoy Bhomik and Jharkhand's national cricket player Sanjeev Karketa will coach 25 visually impaired players. Practical sections will be held at the playground of Takil Khongban United Progressive Organization. Blind cricket traces its origin to the 1920s in Australia, when blind people listening to a cricket series on the radio decided to give it a go. India started holding blind cricket event in 1980. The first World Blind Cricket Cup was held in 1999, followed by the Blind World Cup T20 in 2012. Speaking at the inaugural event, proprietor of Arun Enterprises, T.H. Arun Kumar, urged people to encourage physically challenged sports persons.
CDC coaching Pir Matunda, Sanakandi, Manipuri, Masagi, skill is what talent is sports lines that the Manganga, two Webina, yam tu training se coaching se mangani bi bisa tam ni improve to ka da ko ti mama du jaina we hazard pe do lejai.
WYLCO Kongba has given a warm welcome to Laikuram Bitan, who bagged a gold medal in the recent World Qualifying Triathlon Championship 2019 held in Indonesia. Speaking to media at Imphal International Airport today, El Bitan stated that he could not give his best in the qualifying round as he had limited time for practice even though he won a gold. He assured a better performance in the upcoming 2020 World Triathlon Championship in New Zealand.
I New Zealand kita di pra abi kano toge khale preparation je yamna top win khar kan toge khale handa ki dei tha ni kitang to howe tha ni ju ai nong gi khar phibam yamna kan gi pune da ado ju kan na dum nong leiraga ju kan na dum khoi kan na hona gi ado chahi mo ji preparation lei ri na mathangi November da ne khar kan na hona gi na mathang da ju gol lo ngam na bo hona jage khale credit se yam gre khar yam ai tare sidagi oja thoba ju piningi ado imai pa tamur jajal ju piningi aduga akhoi gi coach puni coach ju piningi ai tare.
United People's Front UPF will organize 13 half mega marathon on the theme Run for Your Nation on November 3rd at 7 a.m. Men and women athletes from across the state will take part in this half mega marathon held since 2007. The 21-kilometer marathon will flag off from Kumanlam Park Sports Complex and pass through Thangmeiban, Rims Road, Narumthong, Terakaitel to Sayang Road, Kwakaitel to Pishumthong, Singjamai Bridge to Yangpali Road and pass through Hatta to Lamlong Market, Dinku Road and finally end at Kumanlam Park Main Stadium. Speaking to media at UPF office today, UPF President W. Second appealed to civil society organizations, associations and people of the state not to impose any bond or blockade on the day. Executive Member A.B. Mall, Assistant Publicity Secretary M. Sunil and Assistant Finance Secretary Achung Chiru attended the press meet.
Hariba lamjel asigi first, second, third tarba sing asida akoina case prize oina first rupees 40 with memento and certificate, second position the rupees 30,000 memento with certificate, third position the rupees 20 with certificate and a memento. Aduga hariba lamjang lamjel asi aikoi sinnaba mapung phana pangthongnaba honabada handaki taragu humdoirak shuba mega marathon Manipur asi mapung phanaba honabada lamdam sigi leibiriba club organization sing mairagi ima sing school college gi mahiroi sing sanababu puning thogat piriba institute sing asina asigumlaba lamjang lamjel asibu mapung phanaba honabada achoba mateng ama pangbiu.
CT Higher Secondary School kicked off fusions of education and sports at BBA ground in Mayang Imphal today. Speaking at the event, Head of Department of Physical Education and Sports Science, Manipur University, Dr. L. Thambal stressed the need for youths to indulge in physical activities to ward off various lifestyle diseases. He mentioned that CBSE has already included physical education and sports science as an optional subject from class 1 to 12. He stressed the need to introduce such system in schools of Manipur. Mayang Imphal MLA cum Deputy Speaker Kongkham Robindro attended the event. Attendees saw a friendly football match between teachers of CT Higher Secondary School and Mamitawan FC team on the occasion.
Ka manungda teaching and learning tori bada madugi mathakta health and fitness service hena darkar oi masa mau phana leina bagi dangta satra singsna masa masa gi pamjaba line singduda sana khona bada su hena mapung phaba ohenduna athoi ba sanaroi sing oiba yana bagi tongan ba facility infrastructure school curriculum program singda happy duna provide to widuna satra sing si games and sports ta physical education activities in the thawai option privacy tangai phade.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Irabot Foundation Manipur demands government to disclose compensation procedure for drought affected farmers of the state. Schools in remote areas lay in deplorable condition despite government's initiative to enhance education sector of the state. United Committee Manipur UCM calls for unity of both hills and valley inhabitants for safeguarding state's territorial integrity. And Welfare Association for Blind WAB Takil kicks off 5-day cricket coaching camp for visually impaired today.